adorable friends, and welcome to our first number corner after spring break. I've missed your adorable faces. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that we have been away for 2 weeks. I really hope you all had a great time, were able to rest, get some extra sleep, do lots of playing, and all the fun things. I've missed you though, and I really hope that your brains are nice and rested because we have so much work to do between now and the end of the school year. But we can totally do it. We're going to rock it. We're going to kill it. I know it because you all are amazing. So without further ado, let's get our number corner out of the way, get our brains nice and warmed up so we can move into our reading and math videos for the day. As always, we're going to start our number corner by singing our days of the week. I got to get our camera right so we can see it all. Make sure you sing out loud with me at home, loud and proud, or whisper quiet. Either way, say it out loud. Ready? Sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Thank you for singing with me, friends. I would feel so silly if I were up here singing by myself, so I'm so glad you're singing with me at home. All right. So the last time I saw your adorable faces was all the way over here on March 11th. Let me turn that card around. Nope, March 12th. I have the 11th and the 12th goofed up. That's pretty funny. All right. So, March 12th, last time I saw your adorable faces. But look at this. We are all the way down here now because we were on break for the last 2 weeks. So, today's the first day of a new school week. Yesterday was Sunday, so that makes today Monday. Let's turn our Monday card around. What's the date on our Monday card? You're right. That is the number 29. That means it's the 29th day of the month. What month? Say it with me. March. Good. So let's put it all together. Are you ready? Today is Monday, March 29th, 2021. Good. And remember, March is our third month of the year. Say it with me. January, February, March. So it's our third month. It is the 29th day. We have everything we need to go update our date card, except the pen. Now I have a pen. So let's go update our date card. All right, we're going to leave that 3 right where it is for the month. We're going to change the date to the 29th. And we're going to leave that year alone as 21. So everything we write the date on today will be 3-29-21. If you're feeling fancy and you want to write the date in the long form, March abbreviated, or when we shorten it, is MAR. The day is the 29th. And the year is 2021. All right, let's go practice writing our date on our observation grid. I feel like we're always rolling. Here we go. Shout out that date to me. It is 3-29-21. You can see that. Let's try again. 3-29-21. Is that a little bit better? Hopefully. Okay. Let's look at today's clock. Remember, we're talking about clocks this month. Is this an analog clock or a digital clock? You're right. It is an analog clock because it's a round clock and it has the numbers in groups of 5 minutes. Remember, every number on an analog clock represents or equals 5 minutes. So it is an analog clock. Let's write that down. Now let's talk about what time it's showing us. Remember, on our clocks, we have the hour hand, that's the short hand, and the minute hand, which is the long hand. So let's start with the hour hand. We always start with the hour. So what hour is it pointing to? Here's our shorthand. Well, it's between the 6 and the 7. As a reminder, anytime our hour hand is between two numbers, it always goes to the lower number. So since the hour hand is between the 6 and the 7, our hour is 6 o'clock. So we're going to write a 6 here. Okay, and the two dots are always what indicate the hour and the minutes. The hour's always on the left, the minutes are always on the right. Just a reminder. I know it's been like 2 weeks and our brains might have forgotten. Now we need to talk about the minutes. So our minute hand is the long hand. It's pointing to the 6. So do I write 6 for minutes? Nope. Remember, each number on an analog clock equals 5 minutes. So we have to count by 5. So we start at the 12. Remember, 12 is where the hour starts over, so the minutes are always 0, 0 when we're at 12. So let's count by 5 until we get down to the 6. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So how many minutes are we into the hour? 30 minutes. So we're going to write our 30 here. So this clock right now is telling us the time is 6:30. If it's 6:30 in the morning, most of you might still be asleep. If it's 6:30 at night, that might be dinner time at your house. It just depends if it's in the morning or at night. Okay, we're not going to talk about how much time has passed because so many days have passed, but we'll look at that tomorrow when we look at Tuesday's card. All right? Thank you for helping me with our time. Now we need to talk about days in school. So we hit another huge milestone. We hit 120 days, which means we have had 12 decade days. Kind of amazing. Which means we're all done using our number line. Now we just have to use our super smart brains and think about the patterns to be able to update our days in school every day. So the last time I saw you was day 120 in school. So what comes after 120? Well, what comes after 20? 21. You're right. So our next number is 121. So we're going to write a 1 in our hundreds, a 2 in our tens, and a 1 in our ones. If we're going to write out the word, we're going to write 121. Ooh, that's a long word, but that's okay. And a 1 in our hundreds means we have 100, like one group of 100 days. Here's our 100 days. A 2 in our tens means we have 2 completed 10 frames. And then a 1, there we go, in our ones means that we just have one day all by itself. So let's update our 1. All by itself. All right, so let's put it all back together. If we have 100 days, we're going to start with our 100. Then talking about our tens, we have 2 tens, which means we have 20 days. 2 groups of 10, 10, 20. So plus 20. Plus our 1 in our ones. So 100 plus 20 plus 1 gives us 121. And that's why we do this also. So we have our 100. Then we can count on by 10. So 110, 120. Then we need to count on by ones. 121. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? All right, that's our number corner for this beautiful, fantastic Monday morning. I've missed you all. I will see you all a little bit later in our other videos and in our small groups and our class meeting. Don't forget, we have all the things today. All right, friends, I'll see you later. Bye.